Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add a uCanAccess driver to your project. The link will be in the description. Okay, then click on this and download it. The file will be downloaded to your download folder. Then copy your uCanAccess driver from here and paste it into your project folder. For example, my project folder is this in a NetBeans project. Okay, this folder I create a new folder, I rename it. Okay, then I open it. Here I paste my this downloaded file and then right click on it and extract here. Okay, just wait for it. All files are extracted here. Refresh your it and then you can easily run your project. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.